Hey there. So if you've searched how to make money online, top 10 ways to make money online, anything like that, you've probably come across SwagBucks. The reason why it always ranks so high is because of the ease of entry. The barrier to entry is like nothing. Do you actually earn that much money? Well, my answer is it's probably pretty negligible. I did this in 2017 when I was trying to make some money to get a Steam gift voucher. I ended up redeeming a $5 Steam gift voucher, and the majority of money I made was by watching videos passively, like on my phone, while doing other stuff on the computer. That is not a great way anymore, and I'm sad to say that method is essentially gone. If you're wanting to make money on SwagBucks, realistically, the best way you're probably going to do it is via surveys. You can see here, SwagBucks, SB, the stands for SwagBuck, those essentially convert to cents. If you're going to be cashing out, the minimum is usually around $5, $5 to $10. You can cash out, get an Amazon or a Steam gift voucher, or you can cash out and get a PayPal voucher, and it'll essentially send money to your PayPal account. But what you want to do is say, is this much money worth this much time to complete? So this is essentially 50 cents. Is 50 cents for 10 minutes of my time worth it? For some of you, it will be worth it. If you're in high school or something like that and you don't have employment and you don't have time or you don't have motivation to get out of your house and get a real part-time job, but you want just a few pennies because maybe your parents don't give you an allowance or anything like that, this might be a handy way to do that. And that's what I did in high school. So realistically, that's how you're going to make money with SwagBucks. If you're wanting to make money online, realistically, this is not a way to make a full-time income. This is a way to make a few pennies, which is completely fine. That's a fine goal to have. But if you want to make a full-time income online, you're going to have to start a business or start freelancing or design an app. And these are all things that require a massive investment of time at the front end where you're not going to get money back. The reason why SwagBucks is so popular is you don't have to do that. Essentially, you're going to earn money, but it's not going to be great from the get-go. So that is a realistic, down-to-earth view of how much money you can make on SwagBucks. Now, people talk about referral earnings. This is how I'm going to end the video. Referral earnings might be a great way to earn money, but the thing is, you need a massive platform to get enough referrals to get you money. And if you have a massive platform, there's probably other ways that are equally as good. You're going to have to put in all of that work to build that massive platform at the front end, just like if you started a business, learned coding, learned website design, anything like that. So really, people talk about referral earnings being a good way to make money off SwagBucks. It's probably fine, but it's equal to, learning a degree online, watching a ton of YouTube videos and educating yourself and starting a business. That's, how realistic it is that you're going to make a lot of money, because you're going to want hundreds or thousands of people, because the majority of people that are going to sign up are going to do it to get one gift voucher and then go, okay, now I have a real job. I'm going to stop using the platform, etc. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description. Maybe I'll earn a few cents off this video, something like that. I don't really care. Reason I made this video was to show everyone how I made a few dollars in high school. This is a down-to-earth video, and I'm not going to make this seem more glamorous than it actually is, okay? So thanks so much for watching. Look, if you found it valuable, or if you have any insights into other websites that are possibly better, please tell me, because I personally would love to know, and see you all later.